While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, included as ETH. With decentralized finance, DeFi turning into all the rage, calculations and science-upheld cryptographic forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain world. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023. As per our Ethereum Expectation 2023, the coin might have least and greatest costs of around $1,607 and $3,904 separately. Ethereum Value Expectation 2025. When it is 2025, our Ethereum figure recommends that the coin could have arrived at a most extreme worth of $6,564, with a base cost of $4,559. Ethereum Value Forecast 2030. According to our and so on cost expectation, it is normal that the token might exchange at a limit of $20,643, with a base cost of $14,340 in 2030. A wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin, the Ethereum blockchain is a high-level venture. It is generally famous among digital money fans, chiefly because of its nodal position in the realm of digital forms of money. The blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this biggest cryptographic money. The whole peculiarity and the major center is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash point of view and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges. The Ethereum convention empowers engineers to plan and work on shrewd agreements, consequently carrying out tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Ethereum 2.0, additionally called Serenity, ETH 2.0, is the expansion of the Ethereum structure, with added elements to further develop usefulness in the Ethereum blockchain. It had a steady and reliable stage-wise divulging with market tests and preliminaries to see mass reception and worthiness. As a forerunner to additional improvement and proficiency, Ethereum 2.0 presented a sharding method to decrease the exchange cost and speed up, including sharding with the blend, will expand its asset utilization execution incredibly. Furthermore, Ethereum 2.0 started web low-level computing construct in a framework UASM that would before long supplant EVM, i.e., Ethereum Virtual Machine, permitting a decision from different dialects to compose code to run on the blockchain. Ethereum 2.0 and the consolidation are currently at last finished. Best of all, Ethereum is presently more eco-accommodating because of the consolidation. Since arriving at the ETH in November 2021, ETH cryptographic money has checked gigantic unpredictability in its cost activity. In 2023, the symbolic even crossed the $2,000 mark after a significant delay. Throughout the past week, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $2,120 and $1,700. Presently, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,813. How high will Ethereum go? One of the primary motivations behind why Ethereum was going down was the series of forceful financing cost climbs by the central bank to battle expansion. Financial backers were ceaselessly stressed over the gamble and vulnerability related with the crypto market, subsequently searching for preferable choices over the crypto market to put away their cash. In any case, when Bitcoin at long last crossed the $30K mark, the whole market saw a cost rise. In view of the latest thing, Ethereum will ascend to a worth of $20,643 by 2030. Simultaneously, the ETH value gauge of exchanging monsters uncovers the coin will have just reached $3,379.408 by 2025 because of the negative cost history, while long conjecture uncovers that the ETH cost might be $5,416 by 2026 in light of their Ethereum cost gauge. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023. In light of the specialized examination and cost vacillations, Ethereum cryptographic money might exchange at a typical cost of $2,755 in 2023. In correlation, the base and greatest costs of ETH are expected to be $1,607 and $3,904, according to our ETH cost expectation. Ethereum Forecast 2024. Taking a gander at the Ethereum value expectation and specialized investigation, it very well may be guessed that the greatest worth of ETH might be around $5,097. Simultaneously, the previous exhibition likewise recommends that the base and normal qualities might be $3,541 and $4,319. Ethereum Value Forecast 2025. According to our ETH expectation 2025, the base, normal, and most extreme exchange values might be around $4,559, $5,561, and $6,564 in the crypto market. As per our Ethereum forecast 2025, we expect numerous organizations and reconciliations soon of the Ethereum organization. Ethereum Value Expectations 2026. Our Ethereum estimate uncovers that the Ether's cost will exchange between $5,915 to $8,515, where the previous is the most minimal conceivable cost, while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2026. Conversely, the typical cost for the year might be $7,215. Expectation 2027. In light of the Ethereum cost forecast, the coin might have a likely high and possible low of $11,142 and $7,740, separately. The typical Ethereum cost for the year 2027 is supposed to be around $9,441. Expectation 2028. As per our Ethereum expectations for the year 2028, the base and greatest costs are supposed to be around $9,213 and $13,263, separately. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging cost of Ethereum might be around $11,238 in light of our Ethereum crypto cost expectation. Ethereum cost gauge 2029. Constantly 2029, Ethereum's cost will have seen an incredible ascent, expanding the market capitalization of the coin as well as its interest. In view of our Ethereum coin cost expectation, the coin's cost might reach as high as $16,713 in the year 2029, while it might exchange around a low of $11,610. The typical worth is supposed to be around $14,162. Ethereum Value Forecast 2030. Our ETH cost expectations 2030 showed the coin may be dashing to peak. The token might have a base cost of $14,340 in the long haul, while the Ethereum cost might record a critical high of $20,643 by 2030, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. The Ethereum future looks extremely encouraging, with a typical worth of $17,492 in the year 2030, in view of our examination. Greg Lunt tweets, Ethereum's cost activity addresses the altcoin market in general. With Ethereum showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto epicureans. We presume that the Ethereum projected development will certainly arrive at outrageous highs. According to our ETH cost forecast, assuming that you exchange Ethereum at the ongoing value, you might procure great returns. Be that as it may, this doesn't comprise venture guidance in any structure. Complete your own examination to decrease the high gamble of losing cash quickly. Will Ethereum go up in 2023? Without a doubt, your interest in ETH makes certain to break all limits, according to our Ethereum cost expectation. Nonetheless, do your own intensive examination prior to putting away your cash. Take your exchanging choices and put away cash. Just in